Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Scott Taylor from Southwest Spine Rehab. Come on, let me give you a tour. We share this space with Fusion Wellness and Integrated Pain Management. So come on in here to the southwest side of the clinic. You'll come on into our lobby here. It's just our lobby where you'll wait to get checked in here. We have an amazing front desk team that will help you do that. Let me give you a tour. So as we first come into here, this is our consultation room where we review x-rays and MRIs. You can actually see an MRI of mine on the screen there. A big part of what we do, we like to make sure patients understand the why of what's going on with them, not just crack their backs and send them on their way. If we come a little bit further here into the clinic, a lot of folks are used to these. These are called intersegmental traction tables. They're really nice. They help to warm up the spine and relax the spine. We do a lot of interferential current therapy or electrical stim. This is where our therapy team is, where they're kind of watching you doing your exercises, your postural exercises. We also, in our office, we have Dr. Short and Sean, their physical therapy team. And so these physical therapists will work directly with you. They focus a lot on like post-surgical and extremity treatments that we don't do as much. And I'll give you kind of another little part of the office. These are our two adjustment bays. We use Leander flexion distraction tables that kind of move up and down. They help stretch the spine really well, especially in the low back. It feels great. These are spinal decompression therapy tables. So folks that have herniated disc, osteoarthritis, any degenerative changes in the spine, we can do cervical and also lumbar decompression therapy. When you first come to the clinic for the first time, you'll start here in this room. We'll do our exam, consultation, and evaluation with you in here. We have the ability to take digital x-rays on site. Again, we have some x-rays pulled up here. It just really gives us a lot of data and really good information that we can utilize to help us understand what your problem is. And then these next two rooms, we have some staff, back office staff here, and then Dr. Short, our doctor of physical therapy, he utilizes this room a lot as well. And then finally here, our medical provider, Daisy, she does all of the injections, she does our hormone replacement therapy, our bioidentical hormone pellets. She focuses on those treatments. And so hopefully that gives you a great idea of kind of what to expect when you first come into our clinic. We hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.